Hello gorgeous ones. As you can see, I have just done that last video that you saw yesterday, and guess what? As you heard, I was inspired, so we're doing another butterfly. The only thing is we're doing it different. Okay, so here we go. This is what's required. We're getting out the heat gun, because if you saw the video on how to cut records, you'll know we used a heat gun. And we used scissors. And the heat is just to soften the plastic, guys, so that it doesn't crack. So there's one wing. I'm dissecting it, I know. Terrible, aren't I? I'm one of those terrible nature collectors that then kill the nature and pin it to a board. No, I'm not. I never could bring myself to do it. But there's the other wing. Okay. What's right about this that I'm not getting, you're saying? I don't understand, Michelle. What are you doing? Well, this is the body. And I never seem to be able to get the body to be a body looking thing. So what I'm doing, remember in the last video I spilt my black paint? That's what was left. So I've just painted that, set that over there. Here comes the fun part. Actually no, I don't want to set it there because I need that. Put it over there. Heat gun has been completed its job. Let's move that out of the painting way. Then she's cut these pretty similar. Not perfect, I must say. But the thing about butterflies is most of them are identical on two sides. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It's starting to dawn on you what I'm doing. I know, how cool is that? So, let's do it. Let's paint. How does it get any better than this? Gonna put some paint on that. Some of you are saying, come on Michelle, you know black on, colours on black, smushing doesn't work for you. You know this. Yeah, I know. But it's got to happen. Just because I want to. This is about having fun, guys. Yes, I'm an artist. Yes, I sell my work. Yes, I share my work with you guys on YouTube. And if it's not fun, I don't want to be doing it. If it's not fun, you're not going to hear from me again. Because it needs to be fun for me to be willing to do it. I have a desire and I've made a choice that I am going to create my life from fun. So that's what I'm choosing. And now, because we've got black and we're doing smushing, we only really need orange. Actually, that was silicone spray for all of you that weren't sure what I was doing. Some of you have just gone, "Wah! What did she do? Why did she do that? Ah, eek, ooh." All right. Yes, that's correct. Now what's she doing? She's making party in her wings. She's having fun with colourful And you're going, you said you were going to make them duplicate. You said you were going to do a smush. Why are you putting paint on both sides? Because I can. I just want you to know, art is what you choose. So, let's see what I can create here by smushing them together, making sure that paint smushes out in all directions. Are you ready for this? Is our butterfly Betty to come out of its cocoon? Just turn it up that way, make sure we've got some. Ready, set, pull apart. And those are looking funky. Not quite identical, but definitely better than the last one. Alright, got some cells coming up, which is awesome. Oh, this is so pretty. Where's my torch? Let me zoom you in. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty and nice. Oop, running out of gas. Nope. Yes, yes, I like it. I like it. And then of course you get your little black bit and you put it back in the middle and you have a funky, funky, funky look. Right, so I'm going to get you down and show you close up what we got. Oops, sorry, that was a bit close. So we got cells, we got streaks, and we got almost matching sides. Look at that. I love it. Love, love, love. Not so love. Let's get rid of that little bit of yellow. Oh, just bought some more out there. Oh, maybe we could put a matching dot over here. I need yellow. Sorry, wobbling. This is why I have a... Ah, that's close enough. Look at that. I like it. I like it a lot. So, I'm seeing some puddles underneath that need some attention with cabochons. But I'm going to put this to dry. And if there's anything fun to play with underneath, you will see that next. And otherwise, stay tuned. And you will see the dry result. See you in a minute. Okay. So... it's just really dark and mucky under here. This spot here is what I poured out from inside the pot. And I do really quite like that. So I'm just going to grab a cabochon and grab that piece. And then we will put the paintings to bed. We ready? If you want to know more about what I'm doing with cabochons, there's a link in the description where I go over how to do all this, and also links where you can buy them on Amazon. I like that. That's funky. Kind of has a sense of birds flying in the sunset. What's it look like up the other way? Yep. Still looks like birds to me. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave that. I just dropped it. I dropped it flat on its face. Just double dip it and we'll see how it dries. I don't hold out much hope. Alright, stay tuned for the results in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so it's time to reassemble. These have come out looking very, very cool. If I did them again, I'd have put more colour down the bottom part, but I didn't. But I really like them. And reassembling. I'm not really sure how I'm doing this. I've kind of vaguely got a think happening in my brain. I don't want it flat though. This is the bit that I'm trying to work out how I'm going to do it. I think what I'm going to do is just put these straws underneath the wings to get them on an angle, and if they're falling towards each other they should technically hold each other in place, is my hope. And then I'm just going to get my glue. It's a Quick Fix Ultra Repair Flexible Polymer. And if I can get it to come out, because last time I used it, this stuff is just obnoxious. I had to actually cut the nozzle to get, it's almost like a single use thing. Once, as soon as you've opened it, it dries. Hold on, I'll find something. Alright. Okay, cool. Our push pins are useful, aren't they? So I'm just gonna lay a bead. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, so just gonna lay a bead through there. This red round thing that this is sitting on is a silicone mat, which is okay but not great for resin. And I'm hoping this will pull off it and it doesn't end up glued to the mat. Alright, so this stuff is supposed to be dry in a few minutes, so I'll come back in a few minutes and show you what's happened. Okay, so it's dried. It is holding together, which is good. This glue takes probably 48 hours to become solid, so I am going to leave it to do its thing. sitting on the straws like this, and hopefully that will then just hold it with that little bit of curve to it. A number of you have asked in the past how I hang my records, and I actually have a video on how to hang videos, and I will link that in the description. If I don't, please remind me in the comments and I will. And so go check that out. But I just thought I'd show you what I did on our little butterfly friend here that from the last video. I just used one of these little D clips, and that is all that's needed. And all I did was I put the same glue that I've just used here underneath and then over top, so it came through the hole and sort of there's like this whole ring is encased with the hole and underneath in glue, and that will hold it. You can then just hook it onto a push pin in the wall and it will hang no problem. So guys, that's one of the easiest ways to hang. You could put 2 of these on either side of a flat record and then put string between it and use that to hang it. Really is lots of options. So there you go. That's how to hang a butterfly. So I've really enjoyed this little dude. He's color wise, he actually looks like a butterfly because it's all the right colors. How does it get better than that? Well, like even pretty much. I mean, yes, it's different, but it's as close as you're going to get in acrylic pouring. And I just thought I'd show you oh, there it is. So I will pop that up along with a few more on the Cabochons for Sale album on Mickey Art on Facebook. If you are interested in buying those, please, please, please do so. That's totally fine. You just have to message me and organize it so that we can do addresses and stuff, because I'm not putting it up on my website as an individual transaction. What's that word? Posting. Something for you to buy. But it is definitely definitely possible to buy these. So check it out on my Facebook page, Mickey Art, and there's a link to that in the description below as well. So guys, I adore you. How much fun can you have? How much creation can you be and do? And what else is possible? Thanks for joining me. Come join us on Acrylic Pouring for Fun Facebook group. And how much fun can we have? Bye bye.